Every time my husband buys something, I think it's a waste of money. I'm not really much of a spender. I really look at value, and if I think something is not worth the money, it actually really bothers me. So when this thing, a TV on wheels, showed up at our house, I thought he was crazy. Then I actually caught myself using it every single day. And the reason I was using it was the same every time, and this caught me off guard completely. There's also one thing about it that made me want to send it back almost instantly, but I'll get to that later. But first, this is the actual reason I use it every single day. Hey, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Dara. I talk about home stuff and tech that actually earns its spot in the house. These are things that we actually actively use and we also have in our house. This is the Samsung Movingstyle TV. It's a rolling TV / smart monitor. It rolls on wheels room to room. My husband actually picked it out. At first, when it arrived, I was not the happiest person because I really don't like spending money on stuff, especially when something is a bit more costly and we don't really need it. But it's been a few weeks now, and honestly, my favorite part about this TV is that I can do all my chores. I can do laundry, I can clean, I can cook, and have something with me that I can watch something on, to have some background noise, have some background entertainment while I do all these things. So just showing you a quick rundown of what you're actually dealing with here. This is the remote. Pretty standard, has a mic button for voice search, nothing you need me to explain. It works super well. The TV is very quick to react to it and it's very easy to use. This cord though is genuinely one of my favorite small details. Even though I do not like things with cords usually, this TV has a really unusually long cord. Watch how far this goes. And once you're done using it, you can just unplug it, put it around the back of the TV, and you're good to roll the TV anywhere you like. Around the back, you've also got 2 HDMI ports and 3 USB ports. So if you've got a laptop, a console, whatever, there's room to plug it all in without swapping cables every time. This TV is also great for presentations. If you're in an office environment, definitely great because it can roll with you and you can use it in your meetings. Finally, the screen itself moves in ways a regular TV just doesn't. It can go up, down, it can go side to side. The wheels are literally the best part. Watch this. No squeaks, nothing, just smooth rolling. And also look at this, guys. It goes to portrait mode. How cool is that? So if you're doing some kind of presentation and you want it in portrait mode, this is the way to go. The screen is 4K, and for something this size, the picture is better than I expected. It runs Samsung Smart TV software, so it's got Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime already loaded, no Fire Stick required. There is some AI picture thing adjusting color depending on what's playing. I couldn't explain the tech to you, I just know it looks good. And if somebody in your house games, there is also a gaming hub built in. No console needed. Okay, but here's a real reason I love this TV. So most of my day I do cooking, cleaning, laundry, all this stuff, and this TV just comes with me. So I can actually just plug it in right here. I'm gonna put the current show that I'm watching on for you guys. Currently making some elderflower lemonade for me and my husband, and I have this thing to entertain me so I don't have to be alone. Here it is. All right, now I can turn this off and we're moving to the other room. Okay guys, time to put the laundry in, but we can't do it without having some background noise. Okay, so we have some of the whites to wash today. Basically, whenever I'm moving around the house, this thing comes with me, especially if I'm doing something that needs some kind of a distraction, or I wouldn't say needs, I want a distraction to make that thing more enjoyable. For example, cleaning our bathroom here, cooking or making a drink for my husband, and doing the laundry. It's just so much more fun having your favorite show or podcast on in the background. So remember the thing I said that made me almost want to send it back? Well, here it is. This TV is 32 inches. So in my mind, it's like 32 inches versus I think we have a 55 one in the living room, and that was probably half the price of this. So this doesn't really make any sense. And for a few days I was actually pretty annoyed about it. I was like, how does this little thing cost way more than the big TV we have in our living room? But then I started really using it. I started rolling it from bedroom to kitchen to bathroom to laundry room, and I realized the true value of it. It is not about the size. The point about this TV is that it comes with you wherever. I can't physically pick that TV up in our living room and just move it space to space. I can with this. But yeah, this does cost a little bit more than having a standard TV in your house. But you're not just paying for a standard TV, you're paying for much more. You're paying for pretty much a personalized entertainment center that comes with you wherever you go in the house. And when I think about how much I actually have used this thing in the last month since we got it, I don't think there's anything else in this house, any other gadget, electronic, anything that I use more than this. And that is it worth it question became actually, yeah, it is worth the price. I still don't consider myself a spender, but this is the one purchase I stopped questioning. And something I hate admitting, especially on camera, but my husband was actually right about this one. So if this video helped you in any way in your decision to purchase one of these rolling TVs, definitely click the subscribe button. I've got more of these coming. And the link to this TV is in the description, and it's also a pinned comment. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next one.